guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these DIY Valentine ornaments. I'm making this cute little heart with a dough bowl. We added this cute little bow here, and then these ribbons we're going to run down the tree. And then I'm going to show you how to add these little hooks to this mason jar. So with these cute wood hearts, I'm going to just put a little hook on the back here so that we can hook some wire to it, and then we can wrap the wire around the tree branch. So I got these little D hooks. I'm just going to get a piece of wire that is big enough to be able to wrap through that and wrap around a branch. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that this is as long as that. This is where I'm going to make this loop. Make sure that's as long as the bow there. I'm going to pull this forward, turn this around here so that the velvet's in front. Wrap it around the bunny ear. And I'm going to pull this one. Make sure that's as long as that. And pull. And there we go. And there's our bow.
I wish I could say what you're saying in my math class. That's why it doesn't make any sense. It's still a square. 3 by 3 off 3 more. So okay. You're taking off the 4 squares and finding the 4 rectangles to find the inside square.
And this is what Frank used to say. You got smart. Hey! SmartAsset.com. Effective fiduciary financial advisors. To help turn his retirement priorities into retirement reality. Everybody's shown this is Frank. SmartAsset.com. Take our free quiz and be matched with up to 3 vetted financial advisors. It's smart about retirement.
Yeah.
Well, guys, no school?
Rewrite. Oh, we can rewrite that as X. 2 plus 14.
Let's go.
Here, with WeatherTech's laser measured curve.
You know what you can also do?
And 4 lamps.
Fucking give me the measurements of these.
Don't forget the cup phone.
Fun game.
General.
So we're gonna make these little mason jars into ornaments. So we're just gonna put a little piece of wire on it. I'm gonna hook it onto this chicken wire here, and then we'll just hang that on a branch. So I'm just bending these up on both sides, hooking them in. And then I'll just smash those together. And there we go. I got these 3 really cute ribbons. I'm just going to put those together and make a cute bow. So I'll just layer each ribbon on top of each other. I want this one up front. Just going to make sure that I have a tail here on this side. Make a loop, bring this side forward, crunch it together like this. And we're just gonna do 1 loop bows on this one. You can do 2 or 3 loops. And then we'll just wire it. And I'm just gonna leave this little bit of wire here on the back so that I can hook it to a branch. And there we go. And I will make this tail a bit longer so that I can weave it in and out of the tree. So we've got the cute bows, the wood hearts with bows on them, and then these little mason jars with hooks. So those will all go on this cute Valentine's tree. Hope you guys enjoyed my DIY video. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. I think all these colors